What's going on YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Litecoin. Right now we're sitting at $236. We're up about 7%. And what I want to do is continue to look at this symmetrical triangle we've been tracking for the past month, because we are getting that daily candle close yesterday up above our symmetrical triangle, and we're also getting some continued volume today coming into Litecoin. We've made a really nice move here, and we want to see if we can continue up to some higher targets that we've been looking at. Our first target was hit, and that was roughly right where we're at right now at about $237. So that's the first target. The next target I'm going to look at is roughly up to around 250, around 250, between 256, right in that range. And the reason for that is because of the big round psychological number of 250. That's something you always have to look at, guys. 300, 350, 400, 1,000. Just look for those big round numbers that there could be resistance at. So you always want to pay attention to that. Above that, it'd be 309, then 372 are going to be the overhead resistance areas that we're looking at. If we can continue to get some volume here, so you can see the all-time high on the log scale previously was $372. If we zoom in here, we're still trading up above our 20 EMA, our 50, our 100, and our 200. Relative strength is only at 68 right now, so we still have plenty more room to come up here and try to hit some of these higher targets around that 250 if we can keep this volume and momentum going. And you can almost see how we hit that W pattern there, and many times you'll get a nice strong break out of there. And this is what we talked about with Litecoin, guys. Everyone wants to dog on it, but you know, when it moves, it really pushes hard. That's just the name of the game. It's like Bitcoin's little brother, in my opinion. And I think it's more fun to trade than Bitcoin. You look at the direction of Bitcoin and then you trade Litecoin is typically the way to do it. Sometimes Litecoin can get away from Bitcoin just a little bit, but for the most part, it's like its little brother. So that's why I don't know why people hate on it. I think it's a great coin to trade, and it really is explosive both to the upside as well as the downside. So, you know, guys, when we're looking at this here, and how we've been studying this for the past probably month or so, I've been reading out of my technical analysis books to people. The reason for that is because chart patterns work. Technical analysis works. And that's why I'm trying to teach this to you. Because if you can learn this stuff, it can help change your lives. You know, if you want out of a 9-to-5 job, trading is going to do that for you, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. So if you're studying this stuff and you're learning this stuff, you can trade any market in the world. Doesn't matter what you're trading. Could be corn, wheat, sugar, cryptocurrency. If you can learn this stuff, how to chart, it's going to help you so much in your life. So that's what we're here to do on this channel. If we get into the technicals now for Litecoin, and if you get some from these videos, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And what you see here on the 1 day, we're looking at a 0 sell, a 10 neutral, and a 16 buy. Oscillators, a 0 sell, 9 neutral, and a 2 buy. Moving averages are going to be a 0 sell, 1 neutral, and a 14 buy. Now, something else I wanted to show people. I like to look at CoinMarketCap. Here it is. So what you can see on CoinMarketCap is the volume. And look how much volume has come in to Litecoin. We're up 122% right now in terms of the volume. We roughly have about $7 billion coming into Litecoin right now. Market cap, we are almost at $16 billion again. So this was a really big jump that we've had for Litecoin. So how are people feeling about Litecoin today? We're going to say good. 91% are saying good, 9% are saying bad. You can see that big heavy volume that came in. It's just been tracking this symmetrical triangle, guys. That's the main thing that we're looking for. And you can see how many people have Litecoin on their watch list. 335,000 people have them on the watch list there, and you can see it's ranking number 9. So a lot of action for Litecoin today. Let's see if we can keep that volume moving, see if we can hit that $250 coming down the line here, guys. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.